What's up, guys? We have Chup here.
Hey there, guys. How are you?
Chup with a BRZ.
With the BRZ, bro, and I got the ice in the ears. You already know.
Alright, so today we are doing a TRD Supra spoiler install. We got these painted, and then we got the carbon middle, and yeah. So
it shouldn't be too hard. As he said, he told me before, it's basically plug and play, which I don't know how easy.
pretty much just take off the trim, 2 screws here, takes off the spoiler, and 2 screws on the other side too, and then it should be a direct. Alright, so our video keeps on cutting out, but pretty much what I was saying is it should be a direct fit into this hole and this hole, and if it's not, we're going to be running this car without a spoiler until we figure out how to drill into this. So I'm going to run it as a time lapse and then keep updating you guys once we have an update.